Hi, welcome back to Create to Mizart. In 15 curry series, today we are going to see vegetable stew with coconut paste. Let's get started. You can use whatever vegetables that you have at home. Today here I have taken 3 large onions, 3 medium sized carrots, 3 medium sized potato, 1 cup green peas which I have soaked overnight and ready to go. Make this dish with coconut oil. I have taken here 6 green chilies, 1.5 tablespoon of fennel seeds, 2 tablespoons of poppy seeds soaked in water for 5-10 minutes, 1.5 cup of grated coconut, whole garam masalas, 2 slit green chilies for tempering, 1 inch ginger, 12 garlic pods, salt as required. Grind ginger and garlic into a paste. For coconut paste, add 6 green chilies, the grated coconuts, 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds, soaked poppy seeds along with the water, grind it into a paste. For making curry, take a kadai, add 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. For whole garam masala, I have taken here 1 star anise, 3 cardamom pods crushed, 1 cinnamon stick, 3 cloves, 12 peppercorns, bay leaf. Roast the garam masala in oil till it's aromatic. Then add the ingredients one by one as shown here. Always add salt to onions so it softens faster. Add the ginger garlic paste, saute well till it's aromatic. Add curry leaves and let it splutter. This releases amazing flavor. Now add vegetables and saute well. Add the grinded coconut paste. Mix in water to adjust the consistency. Cook it for 2 whistles. It smells heavenly. The oil floating on top shows that the curry is perfectly cooked. Bring the curry to a simmer. Now this is the most important step. Add a teaspoon of garam masala, pour some coconut oil on top, sprinkle some curry leaves and close it immediately. This entraps the flavor into the curry and takes your curry to the next level.